To create an invoice, go to the Accounting tab and click on Pending Fees and Expenses. You will be directed to a new window, and here is where you will select the matters within the company you would like to invoice. You can filter the pending fees and expenses by company, company manager, matter, matter manager, and matter status, or by selecting the company and on the drop-down menu choosing the matter you want to invoice. Select the matter and click on Send for review and approval. The matter will then be sent to the preview and approval queue where you can review all the time and expense slips, as well as attach any related documents. Once you approve it, the invoice is transferred from the preview and approve queue to the Invoices queue. To send the invoice, click on the Edit button and select Print Invoice. This will display the invoice print options where you can choose items to include, such as a cover letter, company logo, bill summary, and the template you want to use for the invoice. Click on Print Invoice once again, and it will display a preview of the invoice and the option to either print, email, or download the invoice.